Name of your book, Aria?
A yearbook sneeze. Ka-choo! You may not be busy because here how happens. A yearbook sneeze. Ka-choo! And then he sneezed again. Ka-choo! To that sneeze dropped, a worm got bopped. Till he got mad, he kicked the tea. To that coconut dropped, a worm and a turtle got bopped. Named Gape is fast in the gate, was as fast in the gate. To that hen got wet, and the hen got mad, and who kicked the bucket? To the bucket had to came up, and it had to come down, and it hit Swimmer Bound. Swimmer Bound corn, swahaya. And there was a beastman came speeding, and he hit a big stone. Till he had to came up, and he had to come down. And he made a big hole in there, and the boat marry you. And the boat started to sink. Everyone started to yelp. And there was Mudhead comes to us. And the boat had to be up, and they had to go to town. And they wanted a big circus to pay. And there was a guy and me not know. And there was a bug again. Sneeze, ka-choo. Again. I mean, see that.